Do you ever wonder when to use a or an? Or how does the change the meaning of a sentence? You're not alone. Many learners find articles confusing, but fear not. Vuku is here to help. Welcome to Vuku, where mastering English is made easy. In this lesson, we'll delve into the English article advantage, focusing on a, an, and the. These tiny words can make a big difference in your English expression. Our straightforward lessons will guide you through the ins and outs of these articles, boosting your language skills effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your English, this lesson is for you. Subscribe to Vuku now and join us as we unravel the secrets of a, an, the, for impeccable English expression. What is an article? In English, an article is a special kind of word that helps describe a noun, which is a person, place, or thing. There are two types of articles, the and a, an. The is called the definite article because it points to a specific noun, like saying the cat when you mean a particular cat everyone knows. On the other hand, a or an is the indefinite article used when talking about any noun in general, such as a dog or an apple. It's like giving directions. The guides you to a specific thing, while a or an is more open-ended. Remember, using the right article helps others understand whether you're talking about something specific or just any old thing. So articles are like little helpers, making sentences clear and easy to follow. When to use a, an, the, and no article. So when do we use articles in English? We're going to show you some explanations, examples, and activities to practice so that by the time you finish watching, you'll be an articles pro. Definite and indefinite articles. 1. The definite article. Use the when talking about something specific. Example, let's visit the supermarket. Use the when there's only one of something. Example, the sun, there's only one sun. Use the when the noun has been mentioned before. Example, I saw a cat, the cat was orange. 2. An, indefinite articles. Use an when talking about something in general. Example, let's watch a TV series after dinner. Any series, not a specific one. Use an when mentioning something for the first time. Example, I am a teacher. Introducing a profession for the first time. Use a before a noun starting with a consonant sound and an before a noun starting with a vowel sound. Example, a dog versus an apple. Additional point, for words like our or honest, even if they start with H, you use an because they have a vowel sound. Examples, I saw an owl in the tree. Would you like a piece of cake? The movie on Netflix was fantastic. Remember, articles help tell if you're talking about something specific or just mentioning things in general. Practice makes perfect, so give it a try. No article. We don't use an with things we can't count, like electricity or sugar. However, the can sneak in when we're talking about a specific thing or group. Examples, electricity has gotten pricier lately. Can I have some sugar in my coffee, please? It's smart to grasp countable versus uncountable nouns for the right article choice. No article in other situations. Sometimes we drop articles without strict rules. It's more about remembering specific cases. No article before languages and nationalities, except when talking about the people. Chinese, Russian, but the Italians are known for their food. Sports and school subjects, cricket, art, mathematics. Geographical places, for countries, continents, and other spots on the map. It's a mix of the and no article. No strict rules here, just get familiar. Know the before. Lakes, mountains, continents, most countries, regions, cities, towns, villages, islands, street names. Lake Geneva, Mount Fuji, Europe, London, Bali, Main Street. Use the before, rivers, mountain ranges, deserts, oceans, seas, groups of islands, certain countries, points on the globe, geographical areas. The Nile, the Andes, the Sahara, the Pacific, the Maldives, the USA, the Equator, the Middle East. Remember, practice makes it easier. Let's practice. Now that you know the rules, let's test your skills. Answer each question using an, the, or no article. Check your answers at the end. No peeking. I love going on holiday to Maldives. Did you watch Mel Gibson film on TV last night? Do you still live in Bristol? I've had terrible headache all day. The book is about someone who lives on small island. She lives in Scotland now, but is from Netherlands. They speak Chinese. I'd love to go sailing along Ganges River. Who is that woman in photograph? Great effort. Let's review your answers. I love going on holiday to the Maldives. Did you watch the Mel Gibson film on TV last night? Do you still live in Bristol? I've had a terrible headache all day. The book is about someone who lives on a small island. She lives in Scotland now, but is from the Netherlands. They speak Chinese. I'd love to go sailing along the Ganges River. Who is that woman in the photograph? Overall, well done. Keep practicing and you'll master articles in no time. Step-by-step guide to learning articles. Learning to use articles correctly can be challenging, but with practice, you can master an, and the. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you. Pay attention to the sounds. A is pronounced as and an is pronounced as un, before words starting with a vowel sound. The is pronounced as th, before words starting with a consonant sound, and the, before words starting with a vowel sound. Practice, practice, practice. Read books, articles, and listen to English speakers to hear how they use articles.
Are you saying to me the dog wasn't put in the kennel until last night?
Write sentences using an, and the to get comfortable with their usage. Ask for feedback from a teacher or a friend to improve. Keep it simple. Start with basic sentences and gradually move to more complex ones. Focus on using articles correctly in everyday conversations. By following these steps and practicing regularly, you'll improve your understanding and use of a, an, and the in English. Remember, practice and consistency pave the way to proficiency. Congratulations on navigating the intricacies of an, and the like a language pro. Now that you've embarked on the Article Advantage journey with Learn English through Vuku, have you cracked the code of articles? Share your newfound confidence in the comments below. Your success fuels our language community. Don't miss out on future language mastery tips. Subscribe to Vuku for a continuous adventure in improving your English expression. What English topic would you like us to explore next? Your feedback shapes our upcoming lessons.